Welcome to the SacredBox Provider Dashboard demonstration on adding and managing your services. Let's navigate to the My Services page, where you'll see a table with all the services you're currently offering. To add a new service, simply click on the Add a Service button. Enter all the required details, including the service name, a brief description, and the service type. If you wish to gather more specific information from your clients, select Yes on the Custom Questions radio button where you can add your questions for this service. If you choose No, the system will automatically configure a default form for you. Next, you'll set the timeline for delivering your service. For instance, if you're offering a tarot card reading session, you might choose a duration between 30 and 60 minutes. Simply select the timeline that best reflects the time needed for your service. Once you've entered all the details, click Next to review a summary of your service information. Here, you will add the pricing package details. Click on Add Price to begin. From the drop-down menu, select the package type and provide a brief description. Enter your desired price and the appropriate currency for your region. Remember, each package can offer different features based on its pricing. You'll also need to specify the delivery time, that is, how long you take to deliver the service. For example, a basic package might have a delivery time of 5 days, whereas a premium package could offer delivery within 3 days. Once you've filled in the pricing details, click Save Price. You can add up to 4 pricing packages per service, giving you the flexibility to offer a range of options to your clients. Finally, after adding your pricing information, click the Activate button to make your service available for clients to book. Without activating, your service won't appear in the listings. You can always edit your existing service details or pricing if you need to make any changes. With this, you're now equipped to seamlessly manage your services, ensuring you can connect with your client and offer a wide range of spiritual and religious experiences.